In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom cursor effect in Wix Studio, and the best part is you won't need any coding skills to do it, whether you're looking to give your website a unique touch or simply want to explore new customization options. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Wix Studio and open up your project. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Wix account to access all the features. Once you've navigated to the main page of your site in the Wix Studio editor, look towards the bottom panel and click on Open Inspector. This tool is fundamental as it allows you to access various design and media customization options for your website. When the inspector panel is open, you'll notice a section labeled Cursor. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you get to start modifying the cursor to give it a custom effect. Now, move over to the media section by clicking on it. Here you'll find resources you can use for your cursor effect, including images and SVG files. Next, it's time to upload your custom design. Clicking on Add Image or .svg will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Ensure your file is the right size and format for a smooth and seamless cursor experience. It's usually a good idea to use a transparent PNG or a detailed SVG for best results. After you've made your selection, simply click on Add to Site. This will incorporate your chosen image or design into your website's media library and make it available for customization. Now that your image is ready, you'll want to adjust the size to ensure it looks just right on your site. To do this, click on Size in the inspector. You can try different size options until you find the one that perfectly suits your design aesthetic. Keep in mind you don't want the cursor to be too big and distracting or too small and unnoticeable. Finally, if you're happy with how your cursor looks on one page and want to apply it across multiple pages, click on Apply to More Pages. This option will save you time as it extends your custom cursor throughout your website. When you're certain everything looks good, the last step is to click Apply. This finalizes your custom cursor effect settings and pushes them live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom cursor effect for your Wix site without using any code. It's a quick and easy way to enhance user engagement and give your site a distinct personality. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.